Hi, I'm Sean. I'm doing a product review on 3 different cough drops. So let's start with one of the ones I went with is the Halls Honey and Lemon Triple Soothing Action. The bag, I like the bag. They've definitely updated it. It's silver and kind of a yellowish orange. The other thing I really like is it's got a resealable bag. So we'll try this. Now, I don't know about you, but one of the reasons why I picked the honey and lemon is because I like the taste of honey. There's not a real strong sense of taste in that. As we all know, Halls are made with menthol, and that's pretty much what I'm getting in this particular product is a lot of menthol. So maybe if they could reduce the strength or lessen the amount of menthol and increase the honey, if it's even actually really honey in there, I bet you this would be better. So let's go on to the next product. Okay, next I went with the next small bag I went with is the Ricola Dual Action 4-Caw, and it's the cherry flavor. One of the things I like about these bags is it kind of nostalgic, kind of 50s style, paper, and it's wax. The colors are a little dark on this one, so it's not quite as inviting. The other thing that I don't like with the bag is simply that there's no resealable part like there was with the Halls. You just rip it off and then you've got this open like that. So if they would change that one small part of the bag, it would make it even that much more better. This time, instead of like a twist wrap, it's kind of sealed up like a candy. And a little harder to get open, actually. Okay, nice and oval. I really like this one because you get a real nice, slightly strong but not too strong. You get the real taste of the cherry, where unlike the Halls, you mainly tasted, or you tasted the menthol more. So I really enjoy this. It sits in your mouth nice and easy, and it's just got a great flavor. Very soothing on the throat. Doesn't do much for the nasals, but it doesn't say that. It just says for coughs. So that's on that product. Now let's move on to the last one. Okay, for the last one, we did another Ricola. I had to buy at least one larger bag of the cough drops of 40 or more. So I've got this one. This is the original natural herb cough drop. Again, I really like the bag. I like the colors. It's nice and bright. My only drawback is, again, you have to rip the side. There's no resealable. The resealable's nice, so like, if you're in the car or actually anywhere, you don't have the cough drops spilling all over the place. So again, this, like the Halls, it's a wrapped up one, and it's got like a little bit of wax paper also. I'm not too crazy about it being cubed, and it kind of looks like those old root beer barrel candies. Definitely tasting the herb right away. It's kind of mild. I guess you would kind of say kind of earthy. It does have a little bit, they clear the sinuses, not too much. But the big drawback for this is it's cubed. It's very hard to have in your mouth. It's not very easy to suck on. But it is very soothing, both sinus and for the throat. So in my opinion, the best of the three as far as just going with flavor would be the Ricola Dual Action 4-Caw. I hope these reviews helped you, and we'll talk to you soon.